Hey you, welcome to this little pocket of peace. Take a moment, inhale deeply, exhale gently, let go of everything else. Right now, it's just you, me, and these calming lines. As I draw this mandala, I want you to know it's okay to slow down. You don't need to rush, you don't need to be perfect, you just need to be. Every stroke is a small step toward calm. Let your mind rest here just for a while. Let this be your breath, your break, your moment. This space isn't about pressure, not about performance. It's about peace. The world is loud, but this is soft, gentle, yours. You are allowed to feel tired. You are allowed to pause. And you are allowed to take up space, even in stillness. As this mandala builds itself line by line, I hope you feel a bit more grounded, a bit more like you. You are doing better than you think, even if you don't feel it right now. You are growing, healing, just by being here. Let each curve remind you peace is possible, one line at a time. Thank you for being here. If this brought you even a little peace, share it forward. Subscribe for more calm moments like this. Keep creating and be gentle with yourself.